Unit 17 Programming. Programming Language Part 8. Programming is the process of writing programs using a computer language. A program is a set of instructions which a computer uses to do a specific task. For example, solution to a math problem. The only language a PC can directly execute is a machine code, which consists of one first and zeros. This language is difficult to write, so we use symbolic language that be easier to understand. For example, a symbol language uses abbreviations such as ADD, SUB, MPIY to represent instructions. The program is then translated into machine code by software called assembler. Machine Machine code and assembly language are called to low-level language because they are closer to the hardware. High-level language, however, are closer to human language. They use for resembling English, which make program easier. The program is translated into machine code by software called a compiler. Some examples are Fortran, used for scientific and mathematical applications. COBOL, popular for business applications. BASIC, using a teaching language. Visual Basic is now used to create Windows applications. C, used to write assistant softwares, graphic commercial, functional commercial programs. Java, designed to run in the web. Java apples all make small programs that run automatically on the web page and let you watch animated characters and play video games. The language used to create web documents are called markup language. They use instructions markups to format and link text files. Example all HTML, the code used to create web page, voice XML internet content accessible by speech recognition and phone. Instead of using a web browser on a PC, you use a telephone to access voice-equipped websites. You just dial the phone number of the website and they give the spoken instructions, commands, and get the required information. Part B. Steps in writing a program. Start, input salary, a flowchart to calculate income and tax. To write a program, software developers using follow these steps. First, they try to understand the problem, and define the purpose of the problem. They design a flowchart, a diagram which shows the success logical steps of the program. Next, they write the instructions in a high-level language, Pascal, C, and the others. This is called coding. The program is then compiled. While the program is writing, they run the program to see if it works and use special tools to detect bugs or error. Any error are corrected until it works smoothly. This is called the bugging or bug fixing. Finally, software companies write a detailed description of how the program works, called program documentation. They also have a maintenance programs. They get reports from users about any error found in the program. After it has been proved, it now publishes up-to-date version. Exercise 17.1. Match the terms the from A opposite with their definitions. 1. Programming with writing computers program. Number 2. Machine code use basic language which consists of binary codes. Assembly language. Low-level language translate into machine code by assembler. 4. High-level language. Programming language such as C, Java, or Visual Basic. Number 5. Java Apple is a small self-contained program writing in Java. Compiler. Number 6. Software which convert a source program into machine code. Markup language. Number 7. Language used to create and format documents for the web. Look at the video and put these programming steps into the correct order. Number 1. Analyze the program. Number 2. Make flowchart. Number 3. Write code and compile. Number 4. Test the program and detect bugs. Number 5. Debug and correct if necessary. And number 7. Document and maintain the program. Exercise 17.3. Complete this article about the VoiceXML application language with the word from the build. HTML, dial, VoiceXML, commands, and speech recognition. Internet voice recognition take off. We don't need a sophisticated cell phone to surf the internet when you are on the road. Choose your own voice. That's ideal behind a new breed of voice service that is popping up all over the place. Subscribers dial a 4 free phone number and use spoken commands to listen to anything from weather conditions to stock cups or face inflammations to new historics. These launches all are happening because the two crucial technologies have come in edge and speech recognition software from companies such as Lucent and Spaceworks can we understand a wide range of accent and dictation without having to be frightened. Service acts as HTML has made into writing on web page which by XML the human voice becomes a substitute for a computer mouse and the spoken commands for a click. It doesn't however call up conventional web page but contains with special compose for a telephone. Sounds, click, numbers, much spoken, text.